It's tax season. And all of a sudden, you are looking for your documents. You are stressed. You are finally getting everything that you need to your accountant. And then they give you your return back. And you're like, what? How much do I owe? You are shocked by the number because you feel unprepared. That is what I'm calling financial heartbreak. It is this feeling of unexpected liabilities or unfiled deductions or just generally not feeling prepared. And what we know is that you can be proactive to avoid these pitfalls, but not everybody knows where to start. You want the same financial stability and peace of mind that all of us do. And it can feel hard to figure out exactly how to stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Also, when you have poor tax planning or poor financial planning overall, it can just be hard for you to keep up with that on top of all the other jobs that you're managing as a small business owner. So, even if you have administratively, you know the steps that you're supposed to be doing, when something falls, like emotionally, mentally, it just feels really overwhelming. So, why does this matter when it comes to build to enough? Well, the first thing is financially, you got to have money to the side to be able to pay your tax liability. And you want to make sure that that liability isn't bigger than it should be. We need cash for a variety of things in our businesses, and we don't want to pay the tax man any more than we have to, but we do want to meet our obligation. Yes, all about compliance here. So, when you can avoid tax surprises, you have better cash flow, which is one of the leading causes for why businesses fail or go out of business. It's because they can't predict when money is going to be coming in versus when it has to go out. And then, if you can't predict that, it's hard to know if you're going to have enough money available to pay the operational costs as well as the taxes that are going to be associated with what you make throughout the period. Now, when you're figuring out your enough, we know that this takes financial planning, it takes time planning, it takes figuring out what you really want to be doing in your business, it takes capacity planning, right? And when you can determine how much you owe in taxes in a proactive way, this makes sure that you don't derail not just those business goals that you have for yourself, but personal goals. Maybe you are looking to move or take a sabbatical or take your kids on a big trip. And when that money that you had saved to the side that you thought was available to you has to actually go to pay a big tax surprise, it can leave you crestfallen, right? Like it is not a good feeling to think you had money that didn't actually belong to you.